Good morning, students. Today is our third lecture, or you can say third day of English syllabus of standard second. Okay, and yesterday we studied about a activity time. Correct. What was that activity? There were two boxes. What was there in yesterday's lecture? There were two boxes. In one box, or you can say in one square, vowels were written A, E, I, O, U, and in another box what was written? Consonants were written. So we picked up any one letter from this box, one letter from this box, and we made so many other words, and those words had these letters. Correct or not? Those words had these letters. Which letters? For example, if I will take example, here B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M. Book it is given. Teacher. Good morning, children. Children are saying, good morning, teacher. Teacher, what is your name? Then here one girl is there, Tejal. Her name is Tejal. So what she is saying? My name is Tejal. What she is saying? My name is Tejal. Then teacher is asking again question. What is the first letter of your name? Then Tejal is telling, the first letter of my name is T. What is first letter of my name? T. Teacher, what is the last letter of your name? Then Tejal is saying, the last letter of my name is L. Then again next question is asked by teacher. How many letters are there in your name? Then Tejal is checking how many letters are there in her name. Then T, E, J, A, L, 5 letters are there. Teacher, tell any word that begins with the first letter of your name. And then Tejal is giving example tiger. Okay. In this way, we are going to study this point. I am going to take example. Now I will take example of my name. Okay. My name is what? My name is Manjushri. Okay. I will write down my name. Manjushri. If I will ask you, which is the first letter of my name? Which is the first letter of my name? The first letter of my name is M. Correct. And which is the last letter of my name? I is the last letter of my name. Correct. Now, how many letters are there? Next question. Now, first question was what? Which is the first letter of your name? Which is the first letter of your name? So, answer which I have given here is the first letter of my name is what? M. Which is the last letter of your name? If question is asked to me, then I will say the last letter of my name is I. Which is the last letter of my name? I. Okay. Then it is third question is asked is, how many letters are there in your name? How many letters are there in your name? So I will count now how many letters are there in my name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total how many letters are there in my name? There are 9 letters in my name. Then one more question is there. Fourth question, teacher, if teacher will ask you, or now if teacher is asking me, then if it is asked, right, tell any another word or tell any other word which starts with the first letter of your name. Now, can you tell any other word which will start with letter M? There are many words. For example, mango. So, which is first letter in mango word? The first letter is M, and this M is same, right? So, I have written one example. First letter of my name, I have made another word, that is mango. You can tell some more. Which another word you can tell from the first letter of my name? Mood. M-O-O-D, mood. Correct or not? Mood is another word, and M is the first letter of my name. Correct? In this way, I will take one more example. Now, there are so many Sai in our school. Correct or not? SAI. In your class also, there are many Sai. Sai Chaudhary. Then there is Sai Khalkar. There is Sai Kotkar. There are many students or boys, you can say, in your class. In first standard, those who now have gone in second standard, I have heard about the boys whose names are Sai. So now if we will take example of name Sai. So which is first letter in this name? The first letter in the name Sai is S. Which is first letter? S. Correct. Which is last letter? Last letter is I. Last letter is what? I. And if I will ask you how many letters are there in your name or the spelling of your name, then you have to count how many are there. 1, 2, 3. Then you will give me answer, ma'am. There are 3 letters in my name. Correct? Now I will ask you fourth question. Can you make another word from the first letter of your name? Now you have to make another word from S. Now there are many words. For example, sweet, sing. Come on, tell some more new words. Sleep, sand, song. These are examples of the first letter of your name. Have you understood? So I have taken example of my own name. I have taken example of a boy, name of a boy. For example, I have taken here Sai. In this way, you should able to think and answer the questions which teacher will ask you. Now I will read questions and I will only give answers. Now there are no students over here. We are not there. We are not sitting in class. So I will do activity of teacher also and I will do activity of student also. For example, good morning children. Then children said it. Good morning ma'am. Then I will ask one child, what is your name? For example, there is a boy sitting over there. Then I will ask him, what is your name? For example, it is Yash. Then Yash stood up and said, ma'am, my name is Yash. Okay, Yash. Can you tell me the first letter of your name? Then he will say, ma'am, the first letter of my name is Y. The first letter of my name is Y. Okay. Then teacher will ask second question. Can you tell me the last letter of your name? Yash will tell, yes ma'am, I know. The last letter of my name is H. What is last letter of my name? H. Okay, Yash. Can you tell me how many letters are there in your name? Yes ma'am, I know. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 letters in my name. Okay. Yes, now can you tell me any other word from the first letter of your name? Can you tell any other word? Yes ma'am, I can tell. There are many words. Yes. Y-E-S-S. Y-A-K. Yak. Right? More. There are many other words which you can make from Y. Which are those? Yet. Y-E-T. Yet. So you can, in this way, you can have activity at home. Okay? You can take help of your sister or brother, and you can ask your brother that you become teacher, or then you become student, I will become teacher, and try to answer the questions which your brothers and sisters will ask you. You answer questions, okay? Students of second standard will answer questions and tell your elder brothers or sisters to ask you questions. Let them act the character of teacher and you act the character of student and answer the questions. Think and answer the questions which your brothers and sisters will ask you. Okay? So yesterday and today we have completed 2 activities. In activity time we have completed 2 activities. Yesterday's activity was what? Preparing words. Selecting letters from first box in which vowels are there, and selecting letters from second box in which consonants are there, correct? And from those 2 letters you have to make words. Those words should have those letters. That was first activity. And second activity which we did today is of thinking and answering the questions. Thinking and what? Thinking and answering the questions. I think you must have understood our activity. Please do perform these activities at home and enjoy the activity, enjoy the lesson. Okay, thank you.